Welcome to Everything Cloud. In this series of video, we are going to study something interesting, that is GitHub. So in this series, we will know about what is the GitHub, how to work with GitHub in AWS environment, and what is the use of GitHub for the DevOps engineer. Before starting about GitHub, let's know about what is the Git. Git is the open source version control system that was started by the Linus, the same person who have created Linux. Git is the similar to other version control system like Subversion, CVS and Mercurius is the few name of them. Git is the version control system. When developers create something, they make constant change to their code, releasing new version up to and after a few official release. The kits is used by a many organizations. There is a list. You can see the big name of the company like Google, Facebook, Twitter, so on. Now let us see how the Gits work. Gits work in three stages, that are Git directory, the working directory and the staging area. Now let me define one by one. The Git directory is where Git stores the metadata and object database for your project. This is the most important part of the Git, and it is what is copied when you clone a repository from other computer. The working directory is the single checkout of one version of your project. These files are pulled out of the compressed database in Git directory and placed on disk for you to use and modify. And the last stage is the staging area is the file generally contain your Git directory that store information about what will go next into your commit. It's sometimes referred to as the index, but it's all common to refer as a stage area. This workflow go in three stages. First one is you modify files in your working directory. Second, you stage the files, adding snapshot of them to your staging area. And the third one, you do a commit which takes the file as they are staging area and store that snapshot permanently to your Git directory. So that was the brief introduction of Git. Now we are going to start with the GitHub. So what is the GitHub? Git is the web-based hosting service for version control using Git. Git offers both plans for private and free repository on the same account, which are commonly used for host open source software project. GitHub wikis are the place in your repository where you can share long form content about your project, such as how to use it, how it has been designed, manifesto on its core principle, so on. Wiki can be added directly on GitHub, or you can work with the text editor offline and simply push your change in the GitHub. Let's see what is the feature of GitHub. GitHub can be integrated with other service and platform. You can trace the issue of your codes, collaborative revision, teams and organization. You can share your code with your teams and other organization. It's provide the GitHub page where you can see your all the codes. It's provide the API through which you can connect with the other services. Serious security. Git is the highly secure to manage your code and secure your codes. So let me summarize. The Git is the page where you can store your codes as the repository and you can share with the other services or other organization. It is a very secure service. It's provide the APIs through which you can connect with the other services. It is the highly secure. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any query, you can write me on comments or you can write me at my Twitter account at everythingflow. Provide your support. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, share my video and like it. Thank you and keep learning.